How to add payment method to Uber. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add payment method to your Uber account. For this, launch open the Uber app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download this. Once you have opened the app, make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to add payment method, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you will find different options. Tap on Wallet. Now you have the Uber Cash option at the top. You can use Uber Cash to pay for your Uber rides as well. If you want to add the other payment methods, go ahead and tap on the Add Payment Method option. Now you will find plenty of options over here. You have credit or debit card, gift card. Depending on your location, you might also have PayPal, Venmo, and much more. Now, you simply want to select your preferred method over here. So if you want to add credit or debit card, go ahead and tap on this option. Then you will have to enter the credit card or debit card number, then enter the CVV number. After that, you want to enter the expiration date of the card. Then select your country. After that, you want to add a nickname, but that is optional. Now tap on the next button. After that, follow the on-screen prompts, and once all the process is completed, your payment method will be successfully added to Uber. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.